Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the motherboard error code 99 on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd actually recommend trying would be to actually reset your CMOS battery. So you might have to pop off the cover on your computer and remove the battery and then put it back in after like 30 seconds or so. You can go online and look up your specific make and model of computer on how to do that if you're unsure. So I would actually recommend trying that first and then see if that resolves the problem. You can also try resetting the BIOS, which again will be manufacturer specific. I have a tutorial on my channel, probably more than one honestly, on how to actually reset your BIOS. Feel free to search that up. I don't have to remake that for every video that I do on these subjects, so just consider looking into that. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's really nothing to show for this video, but just more of an explanation. I recommend trying to do that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.